Hi, this is Dr. Sikorsky, and this is another video for the Big Five, which is going to be the push, the pull, the squat, the hinge, and the carry. And today we're going to go over the push. Push is pretty simple. Basically, it is just going to be pushing something away from the body. So if we have dumbbells, we could do a bench press. If we don't have dumbbells, we can do a push-up. And so a dumbbell, when we're doing our bench press, we don't want the arms at 90. This is really tough on the shoulders. We're going to be a little bit at a 45-degree angle, and then we're going to push it up. Now, when we do the push-up, we don't want to overextend because this will put a lot of pressure on the shoulder. So we're going to be from here to there. That's a proper push-up. This is too much. And the same thing with like patients who do flies. This is going to put a lot of pressure on the front of the shoulder. So we're just here doing our push-up. Here doing our bench press. The next is the push-up. People do the push-up wrong, and they let their back arch too much. So stomach tight, back straight. That's a favorite thing for me to say. We're going to do a push-up off our knees because this could be a beginner push-up and it'll help us work our technique. And we're really going to think about stomach being tight and again pushing up so that the arm doesn't come all the way forward, hurting the shoulder. Stomach is tight, back is straight. We're not letting the head come forward. We're going to have a little bit of a chin tuck. We're not going to let our shoulders become earrings. We're going to have the shoulder down, and then we can do our push-up. Obviously, this will be the same if we're off our toes. If we let our back arch like this, especially when we get tired, that would be bad. Stomach's tight, squeeze the peanut, back straight, shoulders are not up. We're not over pushing to hurt the shoulders. We're just pushing ourselves away. Chin is tucked, stomach is tight. Push-ups, you can do max reps, just as many reps as you can. You can do that for 4 or 5 sets. Same thing with like bench pressing. You can be doing 5 sets of 5. If you start using a little bit more weight, you might want to reduce your reps. This is going to be a nice way to help strengthen the back. Nope, I got to do that one over.